Hello and welcome to another episode of Living with K24 and E30. First off, the engine is here, not in the car. The reason why is because of little bearing failure again, and I think it was due to my oil tank, which is here, and I was driving in the track day, flooring it with the second gear with the limiter. Then I transferred to another corner and switches the third gear and flooring it down with the limiter. And I didn't hear anything in that corner, but after the corner horrible noise came out from engine, and as you can imagine with that conrod bearing, and it pretty much was gone. So I had to rebuild the engine again, and there was a bit funky stuff going on in the engine. I thought I was just changing the crankshaft and changing the conrods, but when I was assembling it, I found out that one of my pistons looked like this, and I think this was due to my carburetors. There might be something air leak or something in one of those carburetors, and it started to burn this piston, and I had to replace the pistons as well. So now there is a 13.5 compression ratio, and then the bolt escalated, so I had to replace the camshaft. So there is now like a milled race camshaft or street camshaft, and I decided to as well to change to ITBs and E85 ethanol, so it should make a bit more power and torque than before. All the other things are pretty much the same as before. The only thing I need to really focus on is that oil tank, and I'm thinking that I will cut the hole in my engine bay, because the oil tank was that small, because the height of this place where it should sit is pretty low, but I'll sort that out sooner than later. Then I need to replumb the fuel lines to suit the E85 ethanol, and redo some of the wiring, because the new ECU, I believe I'm going to use Ateku, which is pretty much the same ECU I had before, but this actually have the fuel injection side as well. And then I'm going to redo the dashboard. I will use some kind of tablet to see the things going on in the engine, and that's pretty much it. I'll leave the engine in the car. Assembled. My friend was here helping, so it went pretty fast and with no big issues. Only thing I found out that my brake fluid reservoir doesn't fit in here anymore because of these velocity stacks, so I need to relocate it somewhere in here and put some hoses between. And the real big thing is that I need to figure out what to do with this oil tank thing, because I don't want to rebuild this anytime soon again with some stupid reason. And then there is some wiring I need to do and plumbing with those injectors and other things, but that's about it. Hit the like and the subscribe button if you want to hear what noise these bad boys will make.